Do you want to know how to get rid of shin splints forever? Every treatment technique you tried seemed to give you nothing. You wonder if you have to struggle with this condition for the rest of your life. Is there any cure for this? I have good news for you. You can get rid of shin splints permanently. Here's what you have to do. 1. Identify the causes of your pain. It's important to understand that shin splints is a gutter term that refers to a variety of different conditions and pathologies that lead to pain in the lower half of the shin bone. There are 4 primary underlying causes that are directly responsible for, or contribute to, nearly every single case of shin splints. If you want to know more about this, visit cureforShinSplints.com. Link is in the description. Once you've identified which of the underlying causes you have, it's time for next step. 2. Treat the symptoms. You can't correct the underlying problems if your pain is so severe you can't move. So in this step you'll implement various strategies to help reduce and eliminate your pain so you can focus on correcting the underlying problems that are responsible for it. Then you're on to next step, which is 3. Treat the causes and condition. Remember, pain is just a warning signal from your body telling you that you need to fix a problem. So in this step you work on treating the cause, which is the conditions and underlying problems you identified in the first step. Realize that beginning any treatment without identifying what's really causing your pain is a recipe for failure and frustration. If you continue using generic, one-size-fits-all, conventional shin splints treatment techniques, you may never address the real causes of your pain and stay stuck with this condition for years. And if you keep exercising or playing the sports that likely caused these underlying problems in the first place, you risk making your condition even worse, or doing permanent damage. So use this approach to get rid of shin splints once and for all. Get started today. If you want to know how exactly get rid of shin splints, visit cureforShinSplints.com. Thank you for watching. Until next time.